creation of the world.
Thousands of years ago, there was a time when the space occupied by the universe was vacant. The moon, the sun, the stars, and the earth were conspicuous by their absence. Only the vast expanse of water and the sky above it could be seen. The kingdom of the sky was under the rule of the great god Langit, while the water was under the sovereignty of Tubigan. Langit had a daughter called Dagat the Sea, who became the wife of Paros the Wind, who was the son of Tubigan. Four children were born to Dagat and Paros, three of whom were boys called Daga, Aldaw, Bulan, and Bituon. Daga, a young man, possessed a body of rock. Aldaw, a jolly fellow, had a body of gold. Bulan, a copper-made man, was a weakling, while the beautiful Bituon was made of pure silver. After the death of their father Paros, Daga, being the eldest son, succeeded in the control of the wind. Soon after, Dagat the mother died, leaving her children under the care of the grandparents, Langit and Tubigan. Desiring to gain more power, so he induced his younger brothers to attack the kingdom of Langit. At first, they refused, but because of Daga's anger, Bulan and Aldaw were constrained to join Daga in his plot. The lightning of Langit struck Daga, Bituon, Aldaw, and Bulan. Then Langit descended